everybody. I'm going to be singing Hate on Me Hater by Jill Scott. And I hope all of you like it. And please do like and subscribe. Do, 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 do. Do 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 do. If I could give you love on a silver platter, would it even matter? You still be mad at me. If I can find in all this a dozen roses, which I would give to you, you still be miserable. 'Cause in reality, I'm gonna be who I be. And I don't feel all the fault for all the lies that you brought. You can try if you may. Break me down when I say that you gonna do what you do. So go ahead and hate on me, hater. Now or later, 'cause I'm gonna do me. Go and hate, baby, yeah. Go ahead and hate on me, hey. I'm not afraid of what I gotta pay for. You can hate on me, oh, if I gave you peaches out of my own garden. And I made you a peach pie. Would you select me out? When if I gave you diamonds out of my own, would you feel the love in that? Or ask why not the moon? If I gave you sanity for the whole humanity, and then all of the solution for the pain and pollution. No matter where I live, despite the things I give, you'll always be this way. So go ahead and hate. Oh, whoa, whoa. 'Cause I'm gonna do me, baby. Hate, hate, go ahead and hate on me. Hate, what I gotta pay for. What I gotta pay for. You can hate on me, hate on me, 'cause my mind is free, feel my destiny, so shall we be. Go ahead and hate on me, 'cause my mind is free, feel my destiny, so shall we be. Go ahead and hate, hate. Hey, hey, baby, go ahead and hey, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, say go ahead and hey on me later, now or later, 'cause I'm gonna do me, go and hate, baby, yeah, go ahead and hate on me, hate, I'm not afraid of what I got, baby, a flavor. You can hate on